Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add padding or margin in single product pages in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a single product page. So we are going to add margin or padding on top and bottom on single product pages. Now you see no gap or space. So we are going to add it using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS, so click on it and then we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So if you want, you can add margin top, bottom. If you want, you can add padding top or bottom, so it's up to you. So you can use one of these according to requirement. Now you see margin top 40, margin bottom 40, padding top 40, padding bottom 40 px. Now you see class dot single hyphen product dot site main. So we are going to add padding. So remove this, but you will find both CSS in video description or in comment section and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page, single product page and refresh the page. Now you see padding added on top and bottom. Now you see 40 px. So you can add value according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.